In the last lecture, we saw how we can work with personnel areas, and the personnel areas are going to allow us to subdivide our employees by the location of the company branch to which they report to. Here, we're going to be looking at employee groups. And if you think about our company, we're going to be having all different types of employees inside our company. Some of these employees might be retired and requiring pension. Others may be in the process of being retired, but most of them will be mostly active. And within our active employees, we can have part time employees, we can have full time employees, we can have temporary ones, we can have permanent ones, and you get the idea that there are so many different types of employees we can have inside our total group of employees. The main thing here is we require some way of differentiating one kind of employee from another kind of employee. This is done for two reasons. The first reason is for the payroll calculations, since for the full time employee, we might have, say, a set salary, but for the part time employees, we might be dividing depending on the hours. Another reason is because we have to be able to pinpoint a certain group and deliver some services to that group. Say, for example, we're working with the retired ones. We need to be able to enable our employees as retired and requiring pension so that we can quickly select them from the system and deliver the checks to that specific address to which they're located at. And we're going to be doing that by attaching a descriptory tag which says retired and requiring pension. The way we do this in SAP is going to be by the use of what is called an employee group. So here, let's add on to the employee groups. And here you can see there are some basic employee groups defined: permanent, casuals, temporary, salaried, hourly, so on and so on. We're going to define one of our own, and let's go on to new entries. And here we'll write the employee group number as 1. This is the available group number that we have. And here we're going to give the name of our employee group. The employee group is going to be part-time. So we'll say part-time employee. And as you can think, these are going to be the employees which are going to be registered as part-time employees inside our company, and they're not going to be having the full-time employee privileges such as having access to our resources the same way, having access to the benefits such as insurance and other securities that we offer to our full-time employees. And our liabilities to these are going to be depending on which state you're located in. And you get the idea that here we have created a separate distinction from all of the other kinds of employees we might have. So let's add this on. Let's activate our request. Let's head on back. And here you can see our part-time employee has been added to the top. So when our end user goes to create a new employee, he or she will be seeing a screen and there will be a drop-down menu. When he or she clicks on the drop-down menu, the end user will be seeing all these different employee groups, and the end user can select a permanent one, a part-time one, a pre-retired one, and automatically that specific employee will be placed into that group. And when we access information, we can access by saying, I want to search all the permanent ones and filter out all the other ones that are there. So here we learned about employee groups. In the next lecture, we're going to be seeing even a further subdivision, which is going to be called an employee subgroup in SAP HR.